Fateh was a wanderer, the most adventurous of all. He was going through the Sahara. He was going to fall. But then he saw a water-filled land. He dived in, only to be met with sand. His curiosity piqued and he wanted to know how on earth he got that show. So he went home to investigate. He got an idea and called his friend Dr. Al-Shapet.
Dr. Chapet was interested too, so he wanted to know what was true. He stayed up and burned the midnight oil to relieve himself of his internal turmoil. His hard work paid off. He made a breakthrough. He found the science behind this issue. And then he dialed Fateh in the morning at 3. He said it's interesting and asked if Fateh was free. He called it mirage, which comes from Latin. Coming from the atmosphere, it includes refraction. It basically is an optical effect, a trick of the light rays the eye cannot detect. He showed an experiment and then all was clear as day. He took a bottle almost filled with water, put a few drops of milk, maybe a quarter. He pointed the laser through the water in a direction, then went up showing total internal reflection. He filled some smoke above the liquid and trapped it quickly, closing the lid. From the rarer to the denser medium, the light went, and just as it should have, it bent.
Just like that, Chapet told Fateh, as I showed in the experiments today. The air above was cool, the ground was hot, and thus it made the air around the ground warm up a lot. Through the cold, dense layers, the rays moved down and entered into the layer of the hotter air around. They refracted and reflected, and that boggled your mind. And that was what explained your find. The image of the sky was what you saw on the ground, which looked like water and turned your mind upside down. And that, my friend, is called a mirage, Chapet said to Fateh with a matching grin as large.